What are we yelling about? You tell him, Rhonda. Whoa! Thunder, lightning! Yay! Lightning! Yay! We're not scared, are we? No, we're not. It's fun! It's fun, Patty! Patty, it's fun. Patty says, no, it's not. It's okay. Yeah. Yay, Patty! Patty just had GABA and valerian because she's scared to death of storms. And they tell you not to try to comfort the dog because that just reinforces their fear, so you're supposed to make it sound like it's fun. It's fun, Patty Cakes. It's fun, Rhonda. Yay, lightning. Yay, Maggie likes it. Huh, you always have because you're crazy. Maggie's a little crazy. Woo, Maggie. Ooh, Rhonda, where's the bunny? There might be a bunny out there. There might be a bunny out there. Huh, Maggie Mags. Yay, Patty! Yay, Patty Cakes! Hey, Carson. Carson says, I'm from LA. It sounds like gunfire to me, huh, Carson? He's not scared. Carsey's not scared. Rainy. Rainy. Look at him run. Oh, there's those horses. There's those horses. What? You tell him, Rhonda. What are you looking at? Hi, Patty. It's okay, Patty. Hey, Carson. It's okay, Patty. What are you doing, Shyla? Why don't you come back in the house? This is the monsoon. The yard's turning into a river. I got all these shelters, and the only animal that's inside besides the dogs that are in the house is Knickers. Knickers is in his big shed. Everybody else is standing out in the rain. There's the poor burros. And the Mustangs. Rusty and Penny standing out in the rain. Since we had all that rain the other day, I've been trimming hooves like crazy. Knickers even let me do his feet, and he only bit me once, which was a success. Oh, Nicky. Big Rusty and Penny got their feet soaked in oxine today. Their thrush is pretty well cleared up. I just want to keep it gone. And both of them their feet have done really good with the trimming I've done. They're kind of self-maintaining almost now. Both of them have gained a bunch of weight since they got here, so Only thing we're still working on is Rusty's rain rot. His hair seems to be coming back in, but I think he might end up with some scarring from it. It was so bad and left unattended for so long. The stuff on his legs looks good though. He's got hair growing there. And his face is getting some hair back on it, huh, Rusty? You know, bald old man like Carson. I know Pepito's feet hadn't been trimmed in about 2 years because I know his previous owners, and I looked at them today and I thought, oh, they look like they needed a trim. And they did. And he was perfectly behaved, better than any of the horses ever are. So I was very proud of him. He's in his mid-teens, and I don't know what his history is because his freeze brand is kind of unreadable, so I can't get information from the BLM. But I wouldn't be surprised if he's trained to ride or pull a cart or something, because he's very well behaved. If anybody thinks that this freeze brand is readable, let me know, but the sun's probably shining at the camera, so you probably can't see it. But his feet look nice, huh, Peppy? You're a good boy. Everybody gets their little pan of soaked pellets and supplements at night. And Cola and Windy end up sharing all the time. Even though they have 2 pans, they eat one pan first and then they go to the next one. Scout had his feet trimmed and soaked. And Rusty had his feet trimmed and soaked, or soaked and trimmed. So next I gotta do Renee, and then get back to working on Cheyenne and try to see if we can get her gentle enough to get this halter off. But it's been suggested to me that we might have to build a squeeze chute and run her into it. And I'm thinking they might be right, because I had my hand on her about 30 times and then she took a cow kick at me one time, so I don't know if she's going to be handleable. Something happened to her somewhere along the line that wasn't good, and she's just scared to death of being touched, except for her nose. And we also might have to cut it off because it's been on for years, and you might not be able to get the webbing through the buckle. It's hard to tell. Ah, you poor baby. Rambo, what are you doing? He's a little bit crazy, that sheep. He's a little bit crazy, that sheep. This is his nightly routine. What are you doing, Rambo? He likes to jump over his water bucket. Need to build you an obstacle course. Yeah? What do you want? Go eat your dinner. Go eat your dinner. Smiley. I'm not going to play with you because you butt me. You butt me. Yes, you do. You're not very nice. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not.